muslimcentral.com/donate.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Brothers and sisters, welcome to Quranic Supplications. Today we're going to be covering Surah Ahqaf, ayah number 15. Please have your notes with you. Let's repeat this dua. I'm sure you remember it. It's the second one that we cover in class. Let's try it together. Remember, it's about acknowledging Allah's gifts and giving thanks to Him. We're starting with that word we covered in class, Rabb. It has 6 levels of its perfection and how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's relationship is so intimate with us. So when you say it, remember Allah, our Creator, when you mention the word Rabbi. Let's start together. Surah Ahqaf, ayah 15. Rabbi. Rabbi. The word is awzi'ni. So let's start it together. Say aw, z, and now the z, e sound is going to be swallowed. Zi'ni. Ayn is not going to jerk. It's going to go all the way through. Rabbi awzi'ni. An, now spread that sheen. Ashkura. Ashkura. Kura. An ashkura. Rabbi awzi'ni an ashkura. Again, ayn with the sukoon on this word. So we're going to say just like awzi'ni, start out with ni and then ayn sukoon. Ni'mataka. 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 The ayn is going to travel. It has a commitment. Ni'mataka. Rabbi awzi'ni an ashkura ni'mataka. The kaf connects to the lam. Ni'mataka allati. Kallati. Don't bunch up your tongue and say kallati. Ka. Say kallati. Ni'mataka allati. Again the word, Allah's favor that He bestowed upon us. An'amta, an'amta. Lift up the ayn. Alayya. An'amta alayya. Wa'ala. Lift up the ayn. Wa'ala. Walidayya. Walidayya. Try not to give a drag in the ya. Walidayya. Try not to drag it. Walidayya wa an a'mala. A'mala. Notice there's no jerk. A'mala. It's a'mala. Walidayya wa an a'mala. Use the pump. Saliha. Saliha. Now we're going to continue. Salihan. Tardahu. Tardahu. That's ta. Commit to your ra, like a growl. Tardahu. From the beginning. Rabbi awzi'ni an ashkura ni'mataka allati an'amta alayya وعلى والدي وأن أعمل صالحا ترضاه. Now let's continue. Same pump we're going to use together. Wow, alif, sad. وأصلح. وأصلح. The lam has a kasra on it, so don't say asleh. Asleh. وأصلح. Try it with me, because don't rush ahead. وأصلح. وأصلح لي في. وأصلح لي في. Bring your tongue out of the mouth. The tip of it comes out of the mouth. ذريتي. Shadda after shadda. So, ذريتي. ذريتي. Back one box. وأصلح لي في ذريتي. ذريتي إني تبت تبت إني تبت إليك إليك وإني من المسلمين. Again, إني تبت إليك وإني من المسلمين. The dua read together. رَبِّ أَوْزِعْنِي أَنْ أَشْكُرَ نِعْمَتَكَ الَّتِي أَنْعَمْتَ عَلَيَّ وَعَلَى وَالِدَيَّ وَأَنْ أَعْمَلَ صَالِحًا صَالِحًا تَرْضَاهُ وَأَصْلِحْ لي في ذريتي إني تبت إليك وإني من المسلمين. May Allah give us the opportunity to not only be thankful for what He gave us, but for us to have the ability to realize the gifts that our parents are to us. The gift that has given us the ability to grow and the gift that's nurtured us. Insha'Allah, make dua for your parents and also make dua for all those who have been involved in trying to get these small du'as and supplications to you. Jazakallah khairan. I'll see you soon. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.